Hi everyone, and welcome to your quick 8-minute booty burn. Grab one of these thicker resistance bands if you have one, and if not, it's totally okay. You can use one of the smaller, thinner bands, but this is definitely just a little bit easier for some of the work we're gonna be doing. We're gonna get started sliding this band up our legs onto our upper thighs, okay? Right above those knees, let's go ahead and slide the glutes forward. Lay down onto your back for me. Relax your shoulders. All right, I'll set our timer. 3, 2, pull those knees apart. 1, drive your hips straight up. So yes, a glute bridge without a band is definitely an exercise. A glute bridge with weights on your hip flexors, that's an exercise. Now, your glute bridge with your band is an exercise because not only are you still driving your hips up and encouraging your glutes to work, but you're also pushing out slightly, right? A little bit of abduction into the band to start to activate the sides of those legs. So belly pulls in and down, spinal imprint, and then you drive up with the bottoms of your feet, activate your butt. Good. Now you should start to feel a little bit of heat. Lift your toes, just lift with your heels. Good. But each time that low back taps the earth like a gentle kiss so that you feel again belly pulling into low back and you're not arching, okay? Soft hands by your side, keep lifting. Give me 8, 7, 6, it's already burning. 4, 3, up and hold in 2, and 1. Hold it right here. Good. Now, plant your feet if you're still on your heels. Bring one knee in, put it down, then the other. So a gentle glute march with the band. You're really gonna start to feel the burn in your butt and hamstrings here, specifically the glutes. As you pull your thigh in towards your chest, try to stabilize with your arms as much and as little as possible so that you can still stabilize with your legs. And I know that sounded like I just told you one thing and then the other, but the goal here is try not to drop your hips too much. And will you see my hips moving some? Of course. All right, 8, 7, 6, isometric holds on the way in 4, 3, 2, 1. Plant those feet, raise your hips up. Isometric hold, one knee in, hold, 8, 7. Lift your hips, try not to drop them to the side. Get your hamstrings involved. 3, 2, put the foot down, switch. 8, 7, 6, butt and hamstrings. 4, 3, feet go flat in 2, 1, hips higher and lower. Oh yes, good job. Raise your legs straight up to the sky, flex your feet, pull your legs apart. Good, hold those legs apart right here and then try to lower. Good, hold, 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 reach them back up. And then exhale, relax. Rock yourself on up, keeping the band around the mid-thighs, hands and knees. All right, we start simple. Donkey kick, we go up, up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 3 sets of 8. We've got 8, 7, 6, 5. You only have 5 minutes left to work in 2. Last set. Let's go 8, 7. Switch legs. Prepare in 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, baby, let it burn. Let's go. 8, 7, 6. Ground your palms. Reach your chest forward in 3, 2. Set 2 of 3. 8, 7, 6. Smile. 5, 4, 3. Set 3 of 3. You've got this. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both knees down. Now separate the knees so that you start to feel the outsides of your hips. Separate them wider. Now lift your knees. Push out, 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 out. Let it burn. 8, 7, 6. 1 set. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Right knee goes right, up. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Set 2. Ready? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. This is the medium band and it feels heavy. Finish 8, 7, notice my foot is flexed, it's active. 4, 3, 2, switch legs, let's go. Lift 8, 7, 6, relax your wrist. 3, 2, 1, keep lifting with me. 8, 7, good. 6, 5, 4, come on. 3, 2, 1 set left, team. 8, 7, 6, 5, pause it if you need to, don't give up. 3, 2, 1, knees down, quick little child's pose. Woo, all right, hands and knees. Tuck your toes under, widen your knees. Again, we're gonna hover our knees right above the ground, so press down into your hands. We push out, ready, set, up. Abduction, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lower. One more set there, okay? 3, 2, 1, that makes it 3 sets total. 8, 7, 6, 5, come on, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. On your side, we keep the band here. Notice we never moved it anywhere except our thighs. That's how we can get quick work done in 8 minutes. Roll your pelvis forward, lift, lift, baby lift, 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 lift. Good, lift. I'm keeping my hand here to roll my hips forward, okay? Lift, lift. Second set of 8, 7, 6, 5. Make it easier. 4, feet can be down, all right? 2, last set. I'm gonna keep my feet up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, baby, it burns. 2, 1. Quick flip, other side. You can turn away from me or rotate with me. Again, propped up on the forearm. Front arm is forward to remind the hips to roll forward. Let's perform the movement. Feet together, knees apart. Feet can stay down, or feet pop up, feet stay together, but knees stay down no matter what, okay? Second set, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. We're nearing that final minute in 3, 2, last set, 8, 7, 6. We have 60 seconds left to work. In 4, 3, 2, baby, 1. Hands and knees, flip, flip. All right. You're gonna lower down to your belly, so shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Good. And now you're gonna bring your hands in front of you. You're gonna open up your knees so that the outsides of your hips are working. Your toes can touch. You're gonna press up, up, up. Pick up your thighs, lift, 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 lift. Good, come on. Good, give me 8, 7, squeeze your butt. 6, 5, don't use your chest, don't use your arms, relax your neck. 3, 2, last set, go for 8, 7, 6, come on. 5, 4, you love your band, you love your butt. In 2, 1, rest. Way to go, guys. Awesome work. Feel free to check out one of my videos to stretch out your lower body. Maybe a post-workout flow or something to that extent. Otherwise, have a wonderful day. Try not to stand up with your band on. You might fall over. And I'll see you guys next time. Way to work.